Get ready for heart-stopping action as we dive into the world of high-speed chases. In today's episode, we'll witness the adrenaline-fueled moments when suspects attempt to evade law enforcement at breakneck speeds. From reckless driving to intense standoffs, these thrilling pursuits highlight the dangers faced by officers and the public alike. On Wednesday, July 24th, 2024, Trooper Chase Landry conducted a traffic stop on a Ford Fusion with license plate number AVN70Y for speeding on U.S. Highway 67 167th northbound. The vehicle was paced at 75 miles per hour in a 65 miles per hour zone. After initially pulling over near the 8mm when Trooper Landry activated his emergency lights, the vehicle suddenly fled at a high rate of speed as he approached the passenger side.
Making a right on Main. Light traffic. Ford Fusion. Wrecked out.
The driver lost control of the vehicle at the intersection of W Main Street and Crestview Drive, colliding with a parked vehicle. After the crash, the driver exited the vehicle and fled on foot.
Come on, man, what's the deal?
Foot bill, we're get some black belt running.
I got him. Right, good.
Trooper pursued the driver, and with the assistance of Sergeant Stephen Briggs, they successfully took the suspect, Jaden Johnson, into custody. During the chase, Johnson discarded a .40 caliber Glock 31, loaded with 1 round in the chamber and 19 rounds in the magazine. Trooper secured the firearm and ammunition before transporting Mr. Johnson to UAMS for medical clearance, while Briggs and Torpede David Calvert managed the vehicle accident. On July 27th, 2024, while patrolling east on Broadway Avenue near North Walker Avenue, a trooper observed a West Memphis police vehicle conducting a traffic stop. The trooper activated their emergency lights to assist the unit. Moments later, the driver, Madison Smith, suddenly accelerated, attempting to flee. The trooper quickly returned to their patrol car, activated the siren, and maneuvered around the West Memphis police unit to pursue the suspect.
Black Monday Elantra.
The pursuit didn't last long as the suspect's girlfriend, who was driving, slowed down in a residential area. The trooper quickly executed a pit maneuver, bringing the vehicle to a stop. The suspect then jumped out of the car and attempted to flee on foot, dropping a stolen firearm as he ran. The suspect was caught with an additional firearm, drugs, and $2,156 in drug money. He was arrested and taken into custody without further incident. The driver, Madison Smith, was charged with fleeing reckless driving and seatbelt violation. On July 19, 2024, Trooper was notified that DTF Commander Chad Henson was in pursuit of a fleeing vehicle heading northbound on Interstate 555. Responding to the situation, Trooper intercepted the pursuit as it passed the Caraway Road overpass, taking over as the primary officer. The suspect continued to flee at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, driving recklessly and passing other motorists on the shoulder.
Passing under the Harrisburg exit, 110, light traffic.
24 Harrisburg exit.
passing on the shoulder. Speed still 100. Coming up to the Southwest Drive exit.
10-4 Southwest Drive exit.
Speed still 110, going underneath the overpass at Southwest Drive. Brad said he's taking the Southwest Drive exit.
10-4 Southwest Drive exit.
On Alexander, stand by for direction. TVI, Southwest Alexander, TVI.
The suspect made a right turn onto Alexander Drive and continued fleeing toward the intersection at Southwest Drive. Trooper performed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, successfully bringing the pursuit to an end. Despite being given verbal commands to exit the vehicle, the suspect ignored the orders and was forcibly removed from the vehicle before being taken into custody.
Get up! Let me see your hands right now!
Roll your window down.
Roll your window down! Crawl out of the car to me right now! Get out of the car! I'm car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Okay, we got hands on.
The suspect was arrested and taken into custody. On December 17, 2021, while patrolling Interstate 75 North near milepost 164 in Bibb County, Trooper observed a white Honda Accord traveling in the middle lane. After checking the vehicle's registration through GCIC, it was revealed that the Honda had a canceled registration status. The trooper activated the emergency equipment on the fully marked patrol car and attempted to conduct a traffic stop. However, the driver, identified as Mr. Kendarius Grimes via his Georgia identification card, refused to stop and initiated a vehicle pursuit. The traffic was very busy, but that didn't deter the suspect from driving recklessly, endangering the lives of others on the road.
Traffic's extremely heavy, so just follow behind him. He's not going too reckless. It's single occupant blackmail. Just exited off exit 2. Turn right on MLK Junior Boulevard. Dang it. Turn left on MLK on Coliseum.
The trooper realized that this suspect needed to be stopped as soon as possible to prevent any innocent bystanders from getting injured due to the suspect's reckless decisions. The suspect entered a parking lot and quickly found himself with nowhere to go. He exited his vehicle and attempted to flee on foot, but the officer caught up to him and deployed his taser. The suspect was successfully subdued and arrested, taken into custody without further incident.
No contact. Oh, it is.
On March 13th, 2021, Trooper was patrolling on GA 61 near Ithaca Gin Road when they observed a black motorcycle abruptly change lanes without signaling. The motorcycle then made 2 more turns, still without using a signal. As the trooper prepared to initiate a traffic stop, the motorcycle driver, later identified as Mr. Leverett, glanced back at the patrol car and began passing vehicles in a no-passing zone at a high speed. The trooper activated emergency equipment and attempted to conduct a traffic stop on the motorcycle.
Tell Villarica we're going to come back to Villarica and get on the interstate probably. Passing the high school, Villarica High School.
The biker failed to stop when the trooper activated emergency lights, prompting the trooper to initiate a pursuit.
Sunoco, turning right on Clearview, right on Clearview. Still on Clearview. Dead ends, Villarica, dead end to dirt behind the high school, behind the high school. Going through the dirt parking lot. Trying to get back around, get to the high school, 848. 1050.
The trooper began giving Mr. Leverett verbal commands to raise his hands, but he did not comply. The trooper then discharged his issued taser, which successfully incapacitated Mr. Leverett. The trooper placed him in handcuffs and under arrest, then stood him up and secured him at the front of the patrol car. On May 30th, 2021, Trooper Pruitt was conducting stationary speed enforcement on GA 166 bypass near Hayes Mill Road. He observed a silver Nissan Altima traveling at a high rate of speed in the left lane, passing another vehicle in the right lane. Using his assigned Pro Laser IL, he confirmed the Nissan was traveling at 71 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. TPR. Pruitt merged onto the roadway and activated his emergency lights to catch up to the vehicle. The Nissan nearly stopped in the middle of the road, prompting him to call out the traffic stop to the Troop D Communications Center. However, he noticed that the vehicle had a dark tinted tag cover, obscuring the license plate, before it accelerated westbound on GA 166, initiating a pursuit. Trooper Pruitt advised Troop D Communications to notify the Bowden Police Department and neighboring counties in Alabama about the pursuit and requested their assistance in setting up spike strips. Given that it was the Memorial Day weekend, there was slightly more traffic on the roadway than usual for a Sunday afternoon, especially with travelers heading to and from Lake Wedowee. The suspect was driving recklessly, reaching speeds over 100 miles per hour and passing other vehicles, showing a blatant disregard for the safety of other motorists on the road. It's important to note that we do not support this kind of behavior. Instead, viewers should learn from the mistakes made by the suspect in this clip.
Just past Mount P. City Hall Avenue.
The trooper realized that this pursuit was becoming increasingly dangerous for everyone involved, as well as innocent bystanders. Determined to bring the situation under control, the trooper focused on finding a way to stop the suspect as quickly as possible. The suspect lost control of his vehicle after blowing a tire. Seizing the opportunity, the trooper executed a pit maneuver, successfully causing the suspect to crash into a tree. Both the suspect and the passenger exited the vehicle through the passenger door after crashing into the tree. They were quickly apprehended and taken into custody without further incident.